Hello, dear fellow intellectuals. We present to you today a very important book to read wherever you are in this world. This book has been written by the name of Sori Kuruma from Guinea, West Africa. Is living right now in France. I'm going to tell you from here, this book has been published on 3rd May 2021, and this book has been written by many different languages, in French, in English, in any other language you are in need to read. I'm gonna say here, if you are in need, you have to read this book. Believe me that you're gonna have many knowledge about it. This book has been titled Migration: What Impacts for Local and Family Development, the Case of Guinean Diaspora in France. I have to say here, and I believe something, if you are not diaspora, one of your families, friends, or collaborators is diaspora, whatever it is, you have to read this book to know exactly how people are living, because we have many people right now, we have many friends and many families, they are living now in other countries. You have to understand how they are living there. By the way, even they are studying, even they are doing some job, even they are doing some business. That's why we have this case right now to show to other people also. Those people are genuine. Those are living right now in France. They have something. We have to understand it. That's why this book has been written. For that, you are in need, take your time right now. I'm going to tell you really the many important about this book we are in need to read wherever you are. We invite all those people who are living right now in France, in Guinea, and any other country to read this book. It's very necessary, important also. For instance, you might have some idea how people are living in other countries, whatever it is, their own circumstances and situations. You have to understand that it's very necessary, important also, you and other people. For instance, if we are not reading this book to know by the way the people are living, but you must read this book to have knowledge. Knowledge is power, but learning is your superpower. You can have many knowledge about it wherever you are. That's why we are taking our time right now to show you the importance of this book. We request all of you right now to take your time to know really the main point of this book, because it's very necessary and important also, because we are in need. We're gonna say here, this book examines the link between diasporas, migration, and local and family development in the Republic of Guinea through the resources sent in funds and in kind, individually or collectively, by the said diaspora. Who are these Guineans living in France? How did they leave the Republic of Guinea? How many are in France? Is there a brain drain? In which sectors do they invest, and why? Are there any obstacles to their investments? These are among others the question which this book brings the element of answer. The qualitative reproach was used to collect empirical data from students, migrants, representatives of association, and residents, all of whom are part of this Guinean diaspora present in France. In order to limit our survey population, we choose the following cities as the appropriate field of study: Nantes, Paris, Rouen, Toulouse, Lyon, Bordeaux, Marseille, and Montpellier. From here, as we are saying, you might understand really all those things are very interesting and important also for other people who are in need to know the main point of this book. For that also, we request all of you to take your time and read this book. You might know all those things, this question. All those questions are answered on this book. If you take your time to read, you will know all those things. From here, we request all of you, for those people who are living in different places, whatever it is, to read this book. If you are in need to read this book, I'm going to tell you from here, we have the link. It might be in English, it might be in French, wherever it is in other languages, we are here for that. From here, it's also Reformer International, SFI, as you know, but forget about it. I have to say here, if you try to read this book, you're gonna have knowledge. Try to understand from here, knowledge is power, but reading is your superpower. You have to understand that wherever you are, you have to read this book. If you read this book and try to know how the people are living, about their social life, and also the migration, from here, you're gonna succeed in your life. Thanks so much.